tell my baby, she's not progressing, but she's really good eye contact, social skills. Okay, there's gonna be a couple of things where your child's really gonna slip through the crack. And so you're not hysterical. First of all, guys, you're only working on your baby's movement and development. You go to soccer practice, you go to ballet, you go to karate, and what do you go afterwards? Practice, 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 practice. Why can't we do this with the babies? If you're working on your child rolling over, this is why we have all the courses for. I mean, everybody thinks that I'm here just to find something wrong with a child. That's not the point. I want optimal development. I want your kid to be the baseball star or whatever, but even if they're not, I want them to decide they can't versus, oh, I'm just clumsy, I'm just like that, and that's not the point of development. And so we really got to get away from wait and see and just fine. But second of all, you have concerns. Now, in your case, it looks like the MRI is showing some conversations there. So you right now are, if there's damage to the brain, that's what you're after. But where your child's going to slip through the cracks is you have very good eye contact, and the social skills are there. But she's not rolling over. She's stuck. Now, Savitri did a great live for you, and I really hope that you're doing stuff with her. But I just want to add that I'm a little bit concerned that possibly, especially on the right shoulder, is a little bit of a brachial injury. Doesn't matter where it happened from, but sometimes with handling, especially extraction from the vaginal canal, whatever, there can just be a little bit too much, almost like a thumbprint, right this way. And I'll just show you on my baby doll. So my concern is right here, right in there, like if they were just coming out. This is not, a medical thing kind of thing. Again, I'm not trying to scare you or point blame, but when you're doing these videos, you really want to concentrate on that right area and that right midline, going with just crossing over. It's really important that you're getting in the down. Don't negate the other shoulder. You want both sides worked on. But really, and I apologize. When I'm traveling, I'm slammed. Everybody thinks like I'm on vacation, and it's not. It's 10 times more work for me to leave town because I'm still running an office here. I'm literally doing back-to-back appointments, 8 a day, 9 a day, wherever I'm traveling to, and plus doing all this. So I'm just back now. I'm trying to catch up. That's your main concentration of crossing that midline, going through here. Just like I said, Savitri presented, but I would like a follow-up video in around 2 weeks' time. I'd like you to be doing about 2 hours a day. And then because, again, the tummy time, and not going into those kind of things. I get it that she's on her belly, but she's not working the room. We need to get that vision up a bit more. So going into those development courses, you might want to look at the optimal development, like 20 a month, and it covers all the courses that you need throughout her development. But if not, I want you to go. I know you're looking for rolling over. I'd like you to do the tummy time course first to just give her a better foundation in the skills of being on her belly. Thanks.